Hi, Cameron here. I've got the WiseLaser Laser Welding Machine here. We're just going to go through the setup. After unboxing the machine, assemble the accessories. There's a cable holder and a welding gun holder that needs to be installed onto the side of the machine. Next, you assemble the welding gun. So in the nozzle box, there are a couple of pieces which need to be installed. The wire feeding line needs to be hooked onto the gun as well. Fit the wire feeder welding tube and the appropriate size guide nozzle for the size wire that you are using. Then fit the appropriate welding nozzle to match the size of welding wire used. Connect the other side of the wire feeding line to the wire feeder. Select the appropriate wire feeding rolls for the welding wire being used, and then install the welding wire. And then I'm going to feed the wire through now. Connect the wire feeder supply and control line. Connect the other end of the wire feeder power supply into the back of the machine. Then connect the argon gas to the machine. Then you connect the power supply. Please make sure you refer to the manual to make sure that you're using the appropriate size plug. Connect the argon gas, turn on the bottle, and then regulate the pressure. Please refer to the manual for the correct pressure. Then check the machine's cooling system to make sure that the machine is filled with the appropriate level of deionized water. At the control panel, turn the power supply on. But at this point, do not turn on the laser. Next, we need to feed the welding wire through to the welding gun using the manual buttons on the wire feeder. Adjust and centralize the welding nozzle. Now that you've got the welding gun set up, you're ready to start welding. However, you need to set up the control system for the wire and the material that you're using. From the home page, you go into Technology, select the wire diameter being used. In this case, it's 0.9. Select the type of material you're welding and thickness. So we've selected carbon steel, 1mm carbon steel. Press Import and then go back to Home by pressing Return. The machine will automatically select the correct welding parameters. However, these can be overridden if required and adjusted individually. Before you operate this machine, please make sure you read the manual and understand all the safety precautions, including the safety requirements for using Class 4 lasers. Connect the earthing clamp, press the laser on button, and you'll see a laser pointer illuminate from the end of the welding gun. This is to help guide you with the welding process. And point the laser gun into the desired location to weld, then press a button and commence welding. The welding process is very similar to MIG welding, only with a few variations. So if you've had a bit of previous welding experience, you should find it quite easy to adapt to laser welding. Don't be discouraged if you don't get the expected results straight away. Work with it for a while, and within a short amount of time, you have mastered the process. If the welding finish or penetration isn't as desired, you can adjust the welding parameters manually. When you finish using the laser welding machine, it's always a good idea to turn off the argon gas at the bottle and isolate the power. If you have any more questions about the welding process, please feel free to contact us anytime.